Welcome back to my YouTube channel undergoing a seismic shift, and Dodge, long known for its tire-shredding muscle cars and unapologetic V8 racer, is charging boldly into the future with the 2026 Dodge Charger Daytona. This isn't just another electric car. It's a rebirth of American muscle with a modern twist, merging legacy design with cutting-edge performance in a way that challenges everything we thought we knew about both muscle cars and electric vehicles. At first glance, the 2026 Charger Daytona looks like it was ripped from a concept sketch. And that's the point. Dodge didn't just evolve the classic Charger, it reimagined it. The aggressive stance is stealth airlow, wide, and menacing, but the lines are cleaner, more aerodynamic, and undeniably futuristic. The front end is perhaps the most talked about element, thanks to the patent-pending R-wing, a front aerodynamic pass-through that not only boosts downforce but also pays homage to the legendary Daytona of 1969. The illuminated Fratzonic badge at the center signals something new, an electric futura, while staying rooted in Dodge's history. Where the 2026 Daytona really shakes things up is under the skin. Gone is the Hellcat's supercharged V8, but in its place is something just as brutal: Dodge's new 800-volt Banshee electric powertrain. It's designed to outperform everything that came before it, and yes, that includes the Hellcat. The Banshee setup isn't just powerful, it's a statement. Dodge hasn't revealed exact horsepower figures for the top spec models yet, but industry insiders expect it to be comfortably above 800 horsepower, possibly approaching 4-digit territory in future variants. That means 0 to 60 times in the low 2-second range, putting it in supercar territory. But it's not just about straight-line speed anymore. The Daytona comes equipped with E-stage kits, over-the-air performance upgrades, and an all-wheel drive system that distributes torque with near-instant precision. Whether you're launching from a dig or carving through a mountain pass, this Charger promises handling and grip never before seen in a Dodge muscle car. Of course, one of the biggest concerns for long-time Dodge fans is the sound. The growl of a V8 is as much a part of the Charger's identity as its shape or name. Dodge knew this, and they didn't ignore it. Instead, they created something entirely new: the Fratzonic Chambered Exhaust system. It's a synthesized soundscape, but this isn't your typical F-hum. The Fratzonic system can generate up to 126 decibels of layered, complex audio that's fed through a series of tuned chambers to give it the depth and aggression of an internal combustion engine, complete with pitch changes under throttle. It's engineered not just to be loud, but to be emotionally engaging. Whether it hits the mark will ultimately be up to the fans, but Dodge deserves credit for pushing the boundary and refusing to go quiet into the electric night. Inside, the Charger Daytona offers a digital, immersive experience that feels miles ahead of any previous Dodge interior. A massive curved touchscreen dominates the dash, flanked by a digital instrument cluster and augmented reality heads-up display. The design is sleek and driver-focused, with ambient lighting, Alcantara, brushed metals, and carbon fiber accents throughout. Performance drive modes are front and center, and they go beyond just eco or sport. With names like Slam, Drift, Drag, and Donut, the Charger encourages you to play, not just commute. It's more than a daily driver, it's a performance toy box. Seating is sporty yet surprisingly comfortable, blending bolstered support with long-haul usability. The rear seats offer decent space, making this a truly practical performance machine. The trunk space is also generous, and with no massive engine up front, there's even room for a frunk. That kind of dual practicality and performance is what sets this new generation of muscle cars apart. Charging technology is equally forward-looking. Thanks to the 800-volt system, the Charger Daytona supports ultra-fast charging, allowing drivers to recoup significant range in just minutes, so assuming they have access to the right infrastructure. Dodge is also rumored to be working with parent company Stellantis to roll out a more robust charging network, though specifics remain under wraps. Another bold step is Dodge's approach to customization. Through direct connection, Dodge's factory performance brand, Buyers will be able to upgrade their Daytona with e-stage kits that unlock more power or change the character of the car. Some of these upgrades will be available over the air, while others may require physical installation. What's fascinating is that these upgrades will be authenticated on the vehicle via Dodge's Crystal Key system, essentially digital tokens that ensure only certified performance upgrades are recognized. This move is likely to open up a whole new era of tuners and modifiers in the F world. For those who feared that electrification would make cars more generic or less soulful, the 2026 Charger Daytona is Dodge's defiant middle finger to that idea. It's bold, louder both visually and sonically, and entirely focused on keeping the spirit of American performance alive. This car doesn't whisper, it doesn't beg for acceptance. It kicks the doors down and demands attention. What's even more compelling is how Dodge has integrated sustainability into performance without losing its edge. The Charger Daytona doesn't just aim to be a better it aims to be a better muscle car. That means performance without compromise, design that inspires passion, and innovation that feels meaningful rather than forced. This isn't a car built just to meet regulations. It's a car built to stir the soul, just with electrons instead of gasoline. Still, challenges remain. Infrastructure across North America is inconsistent, and Dodge loyalists may take time to warm up to an electric Charger. There's also the pricing question. While Dodge has not yet confirmed official MSRPs, early indications suggest the Daytona will command a premium over current models, so especially in Banshee trim. But considering the performance, technology, and design on offer, it may very well be worth every dollar. The 2026 Charger Daytona isn't just another car, it's a declaration. It tells the world that electric vehicles can have attitude, personality, and yes, a soul. It proves that innovation doesn't mean abandoning identity. Dodge has taken one of the most iconic names in American automotive history and given it a new pulse, an electric one. And if this is what the future of performance looks like, then maybe, just maybe, it's going to be one hell of a ride. As the world races toward an electric future, many car makers are playing it safe here, building quiet, minimalist machines designed for efficiency. But Dodge is doing what Dodge has always done, standing out, roaring forward, and leaving smoky now digital in its wake. The 2026 Charger Daytona is the past, present, and future of muscle, all wrapped in one hot pink electric package.